Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I will talk about AI, artificial intelligence. I will not talk about like what is the benefit, what are the benefits of AI. To be honest, because most of people already know that what are the benefit of AI, our benefits of AI. In this video, I'm going to talk about like most of the people are saying, and most of the people, I have heard this thing from the people that people are saying that AI can replace us. Is it really possible? Do you think so? Because I don't think so. Why I am saying this? I will tell you definitely. I will tell you definitely why I am saying this. Okay, so let's get back to the era when we didn't have computers, calculators, even we didn't have aeroplanes, even we didn't have bulb or light bulb, which we are using. So, uh, what I'm trying to say is invention is not a problem. Okay, and to be honest, I'm telling you a reality that you people are not getting scared of or getting afraid of AI. People are getting afraid of being competition, or people are getting afraid of you know competitions, because AI will not replace human. It is my perspective. It will increase the competition between the people. Why I am saying this? I tell you, it is uncomfortable. Let's remove this. Yeah. So yeah, why I am saying this? So as I told you, let's get back to the era where we didn't have computer, calculator, bulb, and all these things, all the machinery equipments. When Charles Babbage invented computers, when someone invented calculator, okay. So nowadays we are using calculator nowadays in every offices, you can say, in or in every corporate sectors we are using computers, calculators, and all that things. But there is a point which is you know which should be noticed, that computer is not operated by itself. We are operating computer, we are operating calculator, we are using bulb, we are manufacturing bulb. So yeah, definitely there is a thing for operating calculators, for operating computers, for operating anything which we will develop in our country, or which we will discover in our country in future. Definitely they are not going to replace us. These machinery, these machineries are not going to replace us, definitely not. Because they are not able to replace us, because we are human beings, we are created by the god. And I don't think anything is powerful, or anything you know is most powerful than our brain. We have this thing which is very important part of our body. And our body, our you can say our body is running by this. Okay, our body runs by this brain. Okay, so it is very important. And the people, and we don't need to forget, and we should not forget that people make machines. Okay, machines do not make people. This is the thing which you should notice, or which you should understand this. People like us, we are making, or we are inventing the machines for our daily uses, or you can say machines can only reduce the human effort, but it cannot replace the human. So my point is very clear, that if the Charles Babbage invented computers, there is also a person who are operating these computers nowadays. There are also people who are using these computers, and doing their office's work through that computer. But there are people who are using this. Without people, computer is not operated. A computer cannot be operated by anyone. So we are the human beings who are using these machines. So as it is same with the calculator, it is same with the bulb, it is same with the aeroplane. If we are if we can fly, we can go anywhere in this world through the aeroplane. There are people who are flying that machine also. There are pilots who are flying that aeroplane and who are taking care of those machines. Without human being, there is nothing in this world can be you know can run this world. We are the human beings can run this world. So whether it's a AI, whether it's a any machine, it could be anything. Maybe there will be a something which will come in the future, which would come in the future, and you know we think that we will think like this artificial intelligence, like AI. When the AI introduced in India, and everything is like everything was like, no, it is not, it should not happen, it should not have happened, because it will take our place. No, it's nothing like that. It will increase your competition, you can say. Because if company want to use AI, definitely there are lots of things. I am also using ChatGPT for making my YouTube thumbnails, and for creating my videos, for searching topics. So it is it is very easy to do now. But before AI, we uh, had to search for those people who are in expert in these things, like who can content creator, or you can say thumbnail maker, editor, anywhere. So it could be so yeah. So we were searching for those people before AI, but nowadays scripting can be done by the AI, voiceover can be done by the AI, editing can be done by the AI, thumbnail can be made by the AI. All of these can be done by AI. But despite all these things, what is the important thing? We need to know that how to use AI, how to give prompt to AI to generate our script. Okay, it is also this is also not possible by human brain. If we are not able to give prompt, like what kind of prompt or which type of prompt we exactly need for our video, then how will AI create that scenario, or how will AI will create that thing which we are imagining in our mind? So without human being, it is also not possible to run AI. So you also you have seen those people who are doing the course of AI, and who want to indulge in these things AI, because AI will be the future of the uh, future of upcoming generation, or if AI will be use AI will be going to use in most of the companies, and also there are so many companies who are using AI. But still company needs a person who can who have the knowledge, or who has the knowledge, like how to use AI. So person is important, human being is important. It will increase the competition between people. Like the in future, in simple, in future, if you want to get a job, if you want to work, if you want to get a good designation in a good company, then you have to become best. There is no other option left, because as we all know, when the computer introduced, there are so many things still are in computer we have to learn, like basically what mostly used in offices, like Tally, Excel, Advanced Excel, and there are a lot of things also used in IT sector, like Python, Java. uh, for that we are doing courses also, like BCA, MCA, Bachelor of Computer Application, Master of Computer Application. So we are doing it, but who are doing it? We are doing it. Humans are doing it for getting a good job. It is not conducted by itself. There is a person required for that. So yeah, this is my point. It will increase your competition. Then you have to become the best in your zone to get a good designation, to get a good hike, to get a good salary in a company. And yeah, this is my point which I wanted to say, which I wanted to explain in this video, because most of the people are saying this, no, it's not gonna happen. AI can replace us. AI can be far dangerous in, you know, in future. It is not the first time that AI is created. It is not the first time. We have also created so many things before AI, which reduces the human effort. And AI will also reduce the human effort, but it cannot replace the human. So yeah, this is what is my perspective, and I believe that this is not gonna happen in future unless you have the knowledge like how to run AI, or how to run the upcoming things which will be maybe you can say, I mean, it's basically that you need to know, and you have to know the how to do this, how to do that. Without this, if you are looking for the job without any knowledge, then it is not possible to get a job in future. Yeah, it is true. It is reality. It is harsh reality that you will not get a job if you don't know how to run these things. Whether it's a digital marketing nowadays, a lot is happening. Uh, uh, in few fields, some of them I also do. I also know them personally who are doing digital marketing. Also, I don't know what is going on, you know, behind digital marketing in the name of digital marketing, I can say. Yeah. So it is like that. If you do agree with my points, then comment in the comment section of this video. And if you have, you can say, if you do disagree with my points, then also comment on the comment in the comment section of this video. So yeah, this is the thing which I wanted to say. And yeah, this video is also a raw video, because I will not edit anything in this video. Most of the people are saying, what kind of video are you making? Exactly, I don't know what kind of video I am making. The problem which I am facing nowadays, I am talking on that. I am talking on those topics. And why I am talking on those topics? Because it is very important to. Yeah, one more thing I want to add in this video, that there is a thing which I have noticed in few years, in last few years, that without skill there is no job. You have to keep this thing in your mind, that if you have done BTech, if you have done MTech, if you have done MBA, whether if you have any kind of degree, but if you don't have skill, then you will not get a job. If you will get a job, then it will be in toxic company. It will be in a toxic. It will be a toxic job. It will, maybe you will get a toxic job. You will get a low salary, and you have to work hard for that, for getting that much salary also. So yeah, it is very important, and it is needed to get a job. It is needed to get a skill, one particular skill which you have to master, which in which you can say master in it simply. So yeah, because of that also I am working on a communication skill, because nowadays I don't think anything will replace communication skill. It is also a part of a, you know, I am trying to be socialized. I'm trying to meet people. I'm trying to be extrovert in terms of profession. So yeah, I'm working on it, because it is very important. No one can replace me if I will learn this thing, because communication will never, you know, I don't think that I don't think that anyone can replace the person who has the good communication skill. So yeah, I'm working on my English speaking skills, and also I'm working on my communication skill along with that. to get a good job or to run my YouTube channel, you can say. Yeah. So yeah, this for now, guys. This is my video for today. I hope you like it. So please comment whatever you think about this topic and whatever you liked or whatever you disliked about this video. So yeah, take care.